Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today, that is 15th of Jan, we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings on performance testing. This is the first job opportunity today. So let us go through here. Coming to the first job opening, the position would be performance test engineer. They are expecting 5 to 12 years of experience in load runner and JMeter. So candidates should have mostly experience in load runner and JMeter, and location would be Hyderabad location they are offering for, and notice period would be 30 days notice period or immediate joiner. If you are immediate joiner or 30 days notice period, you can go through this particular description and you can directly apply through this link which is given here. Yeah, this is the link. You can go through this link and you can send your resume to this link, and or else you can directly send your resume to Akshay Agarwal. So this is a job description, LTA Mindtree in Hyderabad, a company, this is the company details, and this is the experience they are expecting for 5 to 12 years of experience. Next job opportunity role is for performance testing lead. They are looking for quality assurance, they are looking for quality assurance lead, hands-on non-functional testing special, especially with performance testing. And this is a contract-based position, work from office in Jakarta. You can apply through LinkedIn, LinkedIn in the sense you can directly drop your resume to this particular person, Nawag Tustania, or else you can drop your resume to this particular mail ID, or you can directly, this is her WhatsApp number, you can directly drop your resume to this WhatsApp number if you are interested. Yeah, coming to the next job opportunity, role is performance test engineer, and location will be Tampa, and 8 years of experience. The candidate should have 8 years of experience here. They are looking for 8 years of experience person. So this is a job experience, sorry, job description here. They are expecting proficient in performance testing tools like JMeter, Gatling, Loadrunner, or etc. If you have this particular tool experience, you can directly go through this job description and you can apply to this job by sending your resume to this particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opportunity, they are looking for performance tester, and location will be Texas City, and duration 6+ months, and they are giving notice period of 6+ months, and must have skills in performance engineering, load runner, and Dynatrace. They are looking for Dynatrace as a monitoring tool. This is a detailed description. The candidate should have minimum 8 years of experience in performance engineering and testing. So the candidate should talk to stakeholders and understand performance testing requirements, what are the, as we discussed in the previous class, performance testing requirements like NFR gathering, those total requirements comes under. So they are expecting end-to-end performance testing activities which who are performed on end-to-end performance testing activities from POC to client recommendation. They can be applicable for this job, and this is the particular mail ID. You can go through this mail ID and you can directly send your resume to this mail ID, or else you can follow Shan Malik via LinkedIn channel. This is his LinkedIn page. You can follow him and you can send your resume to this particular person, Shan Malik. So this is the next job opportunity we are going through, QA testing engineer. Company is Carnation Infotech Private Limited, and job type would be full time, and you can this is the email. You can apply through to this email, and these are the responsibilities which they are given, like design, execute, and maintain test plans and for POC, POS, and automation software. So to perform functional and regression performance and integration testing on React, Python, Flask, and Fast API applications. So they are expecting 3+ years of experience in software QA and testing experience. They are expecting here. So candidates should have proficiency in Python or JavaScript for test automation. So you can send your resume to this particular mail ID if you are interested for this particular job opportunity. You can send your resume to this particular mail ID here which was given here. So coming to next job opportunity here, they are looking for 3 to 8 years experience candidate. This is the major skill sets like ETL testing, automation testing, API testing, cloud testing, security testing, performance testing, LIMS testing, playwright experience, mobile testing, and GPP domain knowledge experience. And these are the positions that they are offering in Infosys company. So you can go through this particular mail ID. You can directly apply to this job. You can send your resumes to that particular mail ID which was mentioned there. So next job opportunity regarding quality analyst, the experience should be 2 to 4 years of experience. The candidate should have 2 to 4 years of experience here, and location would be Gujarat. And they need immediate joiners, like notice period would be immediate joiner. They are expecting that. So they are expecting the candidate should have JMeter experience as a primary tool, and the candidate should have knowledge on documentation of creating user manual test cases and release. Knowledge should have on UI responsive mobile app testing. All these are the skills they are expecting here for this particular company. And you can, if you are interested, you can share your resume to this particular mail ID, or else you can follow Pratiksha Mehta. You can follow Pratiksha Mehta and you can send your resume to her directly. Yeah, coming to next job opportunity, like they are expecting Selenium, Java, DB, API testing, performance testing, and engineering using JMeter about to this Dynatrace, and job type would be C2H, contract to hire position for with MNC. They are expecting candidates should have 5 years of experience, and it would be immediate joining. And this would be the job description here. This is the job description, the skills and the job description, and you can go through this particular mail ID, keshav@spruceinfotech.com. So you can go through this particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opportunity, they are looking for performance test engineer with 5 to 11 years of experience they are expecting, and location they are offering is Pune location. And educational background would be, the candidate should have educational background like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, and CS. So they are expecting the candidate should have monitoring tools the candidate should have monitoring tools experience like App Dynamics, Dynatrace, and Kibana dashboard. So platform would be Linux and Windows platform they are offering for, and this is the link they are provided to join their WhatsApp group. If you are interested, you can join through that link and you can directly send your resume to this particular mail ID. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies.